Got back from Alpha Mart. We got Peter's gummy. We're already at 2. I don't know how to peel it whole, so I'm just gonna bite off a piece and make sure peeling it. I'm peeling it. Oh god. Yappity yap yap yap. Stop it. Oh, oh, oh! God dang! Damn! So this is the insides and this is the outsides. Do you see that? Insides, outsides. First, let's start with the insides. Chewy and soft in the insides. And the outsides is very good. And how about we eat it whole? My teeth. By the way, if you get a alert, there's a missing child alert. I need to wash my hands after this. This is 3 minutes, by the way. This is a 3-second song. This is a 3 minute song. So, that's it for today. Goodbye.